Okay, now we're back and we're on the rinse cycle. The rinse cycle is done with cold water, so I think you can get a better view of what's going on inside the machine right now. You can see the clothes are spinning like crazy, but not as crazy as they will during the spin cycle. Ooh, will that be fun. I wish I could have shown you how filthy the water was that came out of the machine. Which means the machine is doing its job. Amazing. You pay money for a machine and it works. Gosh, imagine that. We'll just see if anything happens exciting in the next few minutes. I'm sure something will. I don't know what. It's my first time using the machine, but we'll just see. I think I hear some water go. Yep, water is going into the machine. Imagine that. Rinse cycle and water is going in. The modern technology is just amazing. Okay, you're all probably saying, John, I'm dizzy. Please stop the video already. But we'll just let it go a few more minutes. Look away if you need to. We don't want you to lose your balance and throw up or anything, so just hang in there for a couple of minutes. Make believe you're on the teacup ride at Disney World or something. You know, this almost looks like a jet engine, really. Okay, now it's stopped. Now it'll go again. Okay. It's going a lot faster is what it's doing. Okay, I'm going to show it off now for a little bit, and I'll come back during the spin cycle because you won't believe that. Okay, here we are for the spin cycle. I don't know if I can keep the camera on top of it because once it gets spinning like crazy, it'll be spinning like crazy. This is going pretty darn quick right now, but it gets even faster. But it's still amazing how quiet this machine is. No, boys and girls, there are no camera tricks. This is how fast the machine is spinning. Another thing they told me at the store is that it spins so fast that the clothes will come out almost dry. So it'll take less time drying, so it's even more of an added bonus. Technology is just amazing nowadays. We've sure come a long way from beating clothes on rocks down by the river. Not that I ever did that. Here's Trisha.
Hi. Oh wow! It's like a car. It's going. So you know, I wonder how fast it's going.
Well, they say the top speed is 1,100 RPMs.
1,100?
Yeah, that's like 20 times per second. Almost. With rounding.
Oh, okay.
1,200 would be 20 per second.
What's the speed on it? Do you think?
I don't know.
It's like a car tire in there, doesn't it?
It looks more like a jet engine.
Look at it! Boy, this guy must feel like, the dryer must feel like
I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. Starting to slow down now. You can see how much it's slowing down. It's right here, but it's amazing how quiet it is. I've probably said that 1,000 times. the other machine, I wouldn't be able to even things standing like this. Okay, now here's the reason that I kept the video running so long. We'll find out in just a second when the machine stops. That's a very nice touch, but there's no way I'm going to hear that when I'm upstairs. You know, I am over 30. My hearing has not what it used to be. So anyway, there's my exciting new washing machine. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Bye. Now one final thing. I just took all the clothes out. You can see there's nothing left. Now when I close the lid, you heard the little song when it finished. Here comes another little song. That's all, folks.